Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about the best graphic designing software. In a recent video, I will tell you what is graphic designing, but in this video, I will tell you what software I use. Let's start the video. There are a number of software that is used for graphic designing, but some main softwares that are used worldwide. I will discuss the common and popular software that is used for graphic designing. Some specialized software is Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Lightroom, and CorelDraw. Every software has its own specialty. Every software has particular features. Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is software used for editing digital photos. This program was created by Adobe. It was originally made for Mac computers and a little later extended to PCs. The software performs a variety of functions, including eliminating flaws and retouching photos. Thanks to its wide palette of effects, the program is used for creating graphics for print media, web design, and so on. The Photoshop tutorial. Photoshop has long been the leading tool in the area of editing images. Photoshop is available for both PC and Mac. It's commonly used by graphic designers, web developers, and photographers. Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a great illustration tool for graphic designers, web developers, and anyone else who needs to create visually appealing images. It's easy to use and helps you create vector graphics textures that can be scaled up or down without losing quality. The program comes with a variety of pre-made shapes, but you can also create your own using simple shapes. For example, using circles and squares together creates a heart shape. You can also edit your text using fonts that are pre-installed with the program. You can even use Illustrator to create computer-aided design (CAD) drawings. This is useful when creating logos or other designs that need to be printed onto real objects like t-shirts or signs. Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a page layout and content editing software that allows you to create beautifully designed and readable pages. It has many features that help you produce professional documents quickly, including an automatic layout feature that creates text boxes based on your text, images, and other layers. Adobe After Effects. The video and audio compositing software Adobe After Effects was developed by Adobe Systems. A video can be animated, altered, and given special effects. It could be anything from plain text to visual components like people or computer graphics. Many different movies and periodicals employ After Effects to improve the look and flow of the tale. It can help us to make videos in a very professional manner. We can bring our imagination into a visual effect that we cannot achieve in real times. After Effects lets you create animations and titles with the click of a mouse. You can also use it to add visual effects to your videos. If you're looking for an easy-to-use video editing program, then this may be what you're looking for. Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is a photo editing and management software application developed by Adobe Systems for macOS, Windows, iOS, and Android. It provides editing features for photographers, including adjustment of white balance, exposure, contrast, highlights and shadows, color correction adjustments such as red eye removal and color space conversions. The program also includes tools for organizing photos into albums and sharing them on social media platforms like Facebook and Flickr. In addition to the basic editing tools, Adobe Lightroom includes built-in support for raw file formats used by professional photographers. CorelDraw. CorelDraw has many features that make it an excellent choice for both professional graphic designers and hobbyists alike. For example, you can use it to create logos and icons quickly with its built-in shapes library or import images from your computer's hard drive. With this program, you can even create complex illustrations using brushes and patterns. You can visit my channel for amazing graphic designing tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for amazing videos. Thanks for watching.